Today, the market had shown bullishness in the morning, and also our algo had also been on live test starting from today. Its target had been hit as expected, and you can see the trade log attached here. It had picked some good stocks, and on a risk of 700 per trade, the overall target of 9500 had been achieved. We are still working on it. It could have gone higher, but the rule had been clear. Square off after target. You can check the trades here as well, along with the entry setups. Now coming to the trades, the first one had been in Laxmi Organic. It was a very early setup since I had specifically been looking for quick morning trades and how they could be managed with very low risk. I had quickly shifted to the 1 minute chart after marking the target on daily. As soon as the trade had moved a bit, I had shifted the stop loss to trailing so the loss could be minimized to nil. This trade hadn't performed too well, but the purpose was to demonstrate my approach for fast and quick setups in the morning. And if people had been looking for early morning trades, the idea had been to protect capital first and then let the trade play out. The second trade had been in Solara, picked from the cash section. It had gone smooth after entry, halted a bit midday, but eventually had given a good move. On the chart, I had switched to the daily, where it had been coming out of a consolidation. I had marked the targets, calculated the quantities, and placed a market order, simply because I did not want it to miss the move. In between, I had also seen good setups like Motherson and stable trades like VEDL. But they had already been active on Tradify's algo, so there had been no point in taking them again. So to sum it up, the market had shown bullishness in the morning, the algo target had been achieved, and we had taken a couple of manual trades as well. Laxmi Organic hadn't worked out much, but Solara had gone smooth and delivered well. Along the way, there had been other setups like Motherson and Wedl, though those were already running on Tradify's algo, so no need to repeat them. Overall, it had been a steady and disciplined day of trading. And to close, here's the Solara trade at the exit time.